Right then, here we go. I'm looking forward to building this one as well. Not sure how I'm going to feel about it when I'm finished, but the Fortnite series, so exciting stuff. Love the game, love Lego, love Fortnite. This is special connection with this whole series because my job is in Fortnite, creating maps. It's a full-time job. So without Fortnite, I never would have got introduced to the team I work for, Team Alliance Studios. Great bunch of people, like a family, really, really cool people. And, you know, I would never have played in Lego Fortnite because of Fortnite. And then without Lego Fortnite, I wouldn't be building all these sets and stuff behind me and on the floor. So Fortnite, Epic Games, whoever, thank you for this. Anyway, enough, I digress. All right, so this supply llama, although we call it loot llama, set 77071. I'm reading the description on the big screen. 691 pieces, and it's age 12 plus, 2024. Bring the Lego Fortnite adventure into the real world with this Lego Fortnite Supply Llama building set. Have fun creating the colourful Fortnite Pinata, which I think I got that right. If I didn't say that right, please don't blame me. Which has a movable head and opening mouth before discovering all the cool gear stashed inside it, including slurp juice, dynamite, and more. Once complete, it becomes a cool Fortnite display model that you can showcase in your room, along with your peeling and your pelvis. Okay, and your burger and your brickheads, which are still to build. Right, anyway, so this is it. A really cool bit of artwork showing the accessories on the back, which is nice. That's really, really cool. So you put it in the top and it comes out the side and you reload it again. So head and mouth move, which is awesome. Ears move as well, obviously. So without further ado, let's open it up and see what we got. If I can open it, please, without ripping it, because this is not ever going to be sold, but I want to keep it all together if possible without ripping it, please. Good. No rips. Awesome. Only one bit of cardboard dust. Right, these this is part of the sets that I got from Seattle in the US when I was there for UE Fest, Real Engine Festival. So they are plastic bags because I think only Europe's got all plastic paper bags now. So how many bags have we got? Let's have a look. 2, 4, 5. 1, 2, 6. Okay, 6 bags. Well, that's awesome. Okay, put that down there. Bag one there. Okay, and we got one sticker sheet. Awesome. That's one good thing so far. Come on, focus. New camera, focus. There we go. One good thing about the these sets is that they don't come with many stickers, which is awesome. That was the only sticker I used, which is gone now, obviously, for the Battle Bus. No, PE, just one sticker. So that was awesome. Okay, so here's the manual. I will be giving these codes away because each of these come with a code that you scan in, I think. Not sure where it is. Did do one already. Might be on the front. Same code on the front. Yeah, I think it possibly is. So I'll scan the codes, get the codes, and give them away because I've already got the. It's the Bright Bomber decor set. So this is bag 1. And one thing that surprised me is the price of these Fortnite sets are quite a lot lower per piece, per brick price, which is really good news. So lots of different people can afford to buy these sets. Not all of them, obviously, but you know, at least get one of them, two of them, maybe one of them, whatever. The price is really good. I was very surprised. I thought they would be through the roof, but there is a connection, obviously, between Fortnite and Lego. Lego have invested money into Epic Games, who owns, if you don't know, owns Fortnite. So there is a partnership there. So maybe this was part of the partnership. Who knows? But I think this is done better than they thought it would do, the Fortnite series. Because I heard in Australia, the day it was released, October the 1st, they'd already sold out battle buses. That's obviously a good thing. So I'm going to now start on the build. There's no minifigures with this. We've got plenty with the battle bus, which is a good thing for me and others if you bought the battle bus, but not such a good thing for those that can't afford the battle bus. Maybe they'll release some figures on their own, but we'll see. Anyway, see you in a bit. Thanks. Smash the like button, subscribe whilst I build this, and it won't take long, hopefully, and I'll see you at the end for the review and my thoughts on the completed model. Thanks very much. Bye bye. Wow, wow, wow. Okay. 3 down, 2 to go. Awesome. Loving it, loving it, loving it, loving it. And of course we have this, which is just, you know, just shake it a little bit to get them all out, but there you go. So you've got 2 slurps. Sorry, slurps. I can't remember what they're called now. God damn it, I played the game. That's slurp. You got your backpack, which is very cool. Nice little build, actually. I thought this was the best of the little builds. Very cool. So there's your backpack. That's supposed to be ruby. There's your grapple gun, which is very cool. Bit of dynamite, of course. Can't go anywhere without dynamite. And there's your expert trophy. There you go. Let's get it in focus. Thank you. Okay, so there you go. Got a little diamond on the back. Hello, thank you. Very tiny. Okay, so what you can do, you've got flaps both sides. So if I do that, you'll see you've got flaps both sides. These little catches here, you just press them up to stop the stuff coming out. And then you've got this, which opens up the inside, where you can put all your stuff in there. And I found if you put the smaller stuff in first, it's a lot easier. There we go. All goes in, hunky-dory. All right, so legs, you can have them like upright like that. Okay, like that, or you can have them out. I prefer it out. That's just me. The head goes up and down. The mouth. Okay. And the ears, obviously, the ears do move as well. You can push them out a little bit as well. They rotate. What else? Tail has like 3 at the top, 3 at the bottom that you can adjust. I'm going to just leave it like that, to be honest, but whatever. You can make him scruffy. That's about it, really. But iconic. Love it. Such a cool display piece again. I mean, kids can play with this, obviously, because you can just do this, can't you? It says, don't you dare. Open. All right, okay, let's try it from the other side. There we go. Okay, awesome. So yeah, you know, whatever. Not going to be playing with it all day long, but that's kind of cool. You've got to admit, it's kind of cool. Just chuck them all back in. Nice, nice. Like I say, backpack is my favourite out of the small builds, and of course the llama is 100% my fave. He's very cool. Nice solid build as well. Quite, it's not going to fall to pieces. As you can see, you can, like, washability, look. Okay, stop messing about, Tom. Okay, cool. All right, there you go. Build done. Smash that like button. Comment, did you get it? Are you going to get it? Do you want to get it now? What do you think? What else can we do? Subscribe. You can just say whatever you like, good or bad. Always open to criticism. Nice criticism, not like you're a bot. I already know that. I don't need anybody to tell me that. And I'm trying to get all the other 2 sets done and finished before the update goes live, which is today. It starts, I think, in an hour and a quarter, so it should be 2 or 3 hours later that it's finished. So I've got 2 more sets to do in the Fortnite series, and then we're done. Thank you very much. See you later. Bye.